Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in the last session, we completed up to page number 7, children. Okay, am I correct? So, in the previous class, we completed up to page number 7. So, here's once observe 7.3, children. Find the product of the following numbers. Carry over wherever necessary. So, what means we have to do, children? What we have to do here? Here given numbers, no. Find the product means here two numbers are given. So what is the elements of the multiplication, children? Multiplicand, multiplier and product. Okay, here 39 is multiplicand, 32 is multiplier and answer of the multiplication sum is called product. Means now what we have to do here? Here we have to multiply 39 into 32. Okay, so write the numbers like this, children. Write the numbers one below other. Okay, so write small numbers. Okay, children, here only small space is there, no. So now do multiplication. It is ones, tens. 2 nines are 18. So 18 means what we have to do, children? Write 18 is here? No. So write 8 here and carry 1 to the next place. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, here multiplication with first digit completed. 2 nines are 18. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. So now again multiplication with 3. So here 3 means 3 is in tens place, no, children. Means we are multiplying with 30. So write 0 below the ones place of the number. 3 nines are 27. Okay, 3 nines are 27. So now write 27 is here? No. Write 7 is here and carry over 2 to the next place. So here I multiplied 3 nines are no. So next place means cross this number and write 2 here. Okay, cross this number and write 2 here. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So means where we have to write 11? So write 1 in the hundreds and this one in the thousands. Okay, children? Now add these two numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 means write 4 here and add 1 to the hundreds place. Means here 1 plus 1, 2 and write this one. So 39 into 32 is the product. What's the product? Is 1248. Okay. So 39 into 32 is 1248. Okay, children, so like that you have to do the remaining 3 problems. Okay, here I explained first problem and remaining here B, C, D problems is there. So remaining 3 you have to do homework. Okay. So now turn to the next page. Multiply means increase in number of groups. So list some good habits that you would wish to multiply to help others. Okay, children. So multiply means an increase in the number of groups. For example, so I want to distribute 2 chocolates to the 5 members means, so here I am increasing the number of groups, no. So list some good habits that you would wish to multiply to help others. So you have to write the good habits, those who are multiplied to help others. సో మీరు చేసే గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ ఇంకా చేయాలనే మంచి గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ని ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ హియర్ ఐ రిటైన్ చిల్డ్రన్. సో రైట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆల్సో. హియర్ ఐ రిటైన్ help blind people while crossing the road. Okay, help blind people while crossing the road. And next one, maintain your surroundings clean and green. Okay, maintain your surroundings clean and green. So this is your choice, children. You have to write another good habits also. Okay, you have to write another good habits also. Okay, so now everyone open companion page number 57, children. 7C, page number 57. Okay, children, so here observe page number 57, 7C. Rakesh owns a farm that has 15 hen coops. if there are 24 hens in each coop, how many hens are there in total? So how many hen coops are here, children? Number of hen coops is equal to 15, and how many hens are there in each coop? 24 hens. So how to find total, children? So here given the number of hen coops and the number of hens in each coop. So now multiply these two numbers to get total number of hens. Okay, children, so do multiplication, everyone. Write multiplication symbol. 4 5s are 20, means write 0 here and 2 carry over to the next place. 4 1s are 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so now again multiplication, children. So write 0 below the ones place. 2 5s are 10. So means 10 right here, children? No. So write 0 here and carry over 1. 2 1s are 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so now add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0, 6 and 3. So now total how many hens are here, children? Total number of hens is equal to 360. Okay, total number of hens is equal to 360. Okay, so now observe second question, children. In a housing colony, each building has 35 houses. If the colony has 25 such buildings, how many houses are there in total? Okay, so here a colony, children, if the colony has 35 buildings, okay, so number of buildings is 25 and each building has 35 houses, means number of houses in each building 35. So now we have to find total number of houses. So how to find total number of houses? If you multiply number of houses and number of buildings to get the total number of houses. So here you have to do multiplication and find the answer. Okay, children, you have to do multiplication. Okay, 25 into 35 to get total number of buildings. Okay, now here given quick tips, children. So here is a quick trick to multiply a number by 11. Okay, here given one quick tip to multiply a number by 11 only. So let us multiply 11 and 52. So let us multiply 11 and 52. So in the step 1, add the numbers 5 and 2. So first add the numbers 5 and 2, children. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7 now, children. So now place the number 7 between 5 and 2. Okay, first you have to add 5 and 2 is 7. So now place the 7 between 5 and 2, means like this here. You have to place the 7 between 5 and 2. So the product of 11 and 52 is 572. Okay, children. So this is one small tip. So here if you multiply the number with 11, so first add the two numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. So you have to place the 7 between 5 and 2. So this is the product of 11 and 52. So if you multiply, if you do the normal multiplication also, you will get the same answer. Okay. Next, another number, children. Here given another example. Multiply 11 and 65. So add the number 6 and 5. So first add these two numbers. 6 plus 5 is 11. So in the first one here we get only one digit, but now it is 11. So now how to do, children? So place the number 11 between 6 and 5. Okay, place the number between 6 and 5. Since the total is a double digit, we carry it over. Okay, it is 2-digit number. No, so now carry it. So 6 plus 1. Okay, carry 1 to this place, children. 6 plus 1, 7, 1, 5. So the product of 11 and 65 is 715. Okay, if you check in normal multiplication also, you will get same answers, children. Okay, so now find the product of these two numbers using the tip. So how to use this tip, children? So 11 into 27. So first add these two numbers. 2 plus 7, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. So write these two, place the answer in between here now. So 9. So if you multiply these two numbers to get 297 only, children, okay? And do this one also second. So here carry over is needed. You have to carry over like this and do the multiplication, okay? Next, things like biscuits, marbles and sketch pens come in packets. Each packet has same number of objects. So list a few more things that comes in groups of the same number, okay? So if you observe some things, they are coming in groups only. Am I correct, children? So like that, biscuits, in each biscuits packet have same number of biscuits. Marbles in sketch pens. So each sketch pen packet has 12 colors. Means some things they coming in the groups of objects. So list few more objects. So for example, chocolates also, children. Chocolates come in equal groups of objects. And papads. Each packet has a 6 number of papads or 8 number of papads, like that. So like that you have to write remaining also, children. Okay. Next. Follow the arrows and reach the top of the puzzle. 2 are done for you. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 4 1s are 4. Now multiply 6 2s are here. Here observe, children. Here these two numbers multiplied. Here these two numbers multiplied means now you have to multiply these two numbers. So 6 2s are 12. Now 9 4s are 36. Okay, 9 4s are 36. 4 12s are 48. 4 12s are 48. Okay, so now multiply these two numbers and write the answer here. Okay, multiply these two numbers and write the answer here. So this is about today's class, children. So everyone complete the given homework. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.